Welcome to this video, Perfectly Cooked Eggs, a guide to achieving egg-cellent results every time. Everyone can learn how to make the perfect egg. Much depends on your desired level of doneness, such as soft-boiled or hard-boiled. This video covers it all. Stay tuned. Embark on a journey of culinary delight as we unlock the secrets to preparing perfectly cooked eggs. The first step. Immerse yourself in the art of boiling, where science meets flavor in a bubbling dance of transformation. As the steam dissipates, a moment of calm descends. Witness the careful transition of our eggs, from a rolling boil to a refreshing bath. This moment of precision ensures textures that tantalize and shells that surrender effortlessly. Behold, the culmination of patience and technique, the art of peeling. A gentle touch reveals the treasure within, as the perfectly cooked egg yields its secrets, inviting you to savor every tender bite. But how do you know how long to boil an egg? When is an egg still soft and when is the yolk hard? We have a handy table cooking time eggs for you. You can also download this table. Click on the link below this video and download this table absolutely free. If you want to know more about eggs, read Eggs, From Shell to Savory Delights.